Walking motorcycles. Meat grown in labs. Satellites launched by giant centrifuges. The future isn't coming. It's already here. These are 15 technologies rewriting reality. 15. Kawasaki Corleo, the walking motorcycle. Motorcycles have two wheels. Always have. Until now. Meet Kawasaki Corleo, a groundbreaking fusion of robotics and motorcycle engineering that walks on 4 robotic legs. Equipped with adaptive hooves, it mimics natural walking movements and effortlessly tackles rugged terrains from grass to gravel to mud that would stop traditional bikes cold. Powered by a 150 cubic centimetre hydrogen engine, Corleo combines eco-friendly innovation with robust off-road performance. Riders control it through intuitive horseback-inspired movements. Lean left, it steps left. Shift weight forward, it accelerates. Debuting at Osaka Expo 2025, Kawasaki's Corleo redefines personal mobility, showcasing hydrogen's promise in transforming transportation. 4 legs, 0 emissions. The motorcycle just evolved. 14. Lab-grown meat, farming without farms. Meat production accounts for 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. But what if you could grow meat without raising a single animal? Lab-grown meat, also called cultivated or cultured meat, is changing everything we know about food production. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, scientists collect animal cells and nurture them in nutrient-rich controlled environments until they grow into real meat. No cruelty, no compromise. The benefits are massive. Dramatically lower greenhouse gas emissions, reduced land and water usage by up to 95%, and the ability to meet global protein demands sustainably. It offers the same taste, texture, and nutritional value as traditional meat, but with a fraction of the environmental footprint. Major food companies and governments worldwide are racing to scale up this technology. Singapore already approved lab-grown chicken for sale in 2020. Soon, cultivated meat might be a regular item in your grocery store. It's not science fiction, it's dinner. 13. SpinLaunch, hurling satellites into space. Traditional rocket launchers burn millions of dollars of fuel and pump tons of pollution into the atmosphere. SpinLaunch said, "What if we just threw satellites into space instead?" Founded in 2014 and funded by Airbus and Google, they're building a kinetic energy launch system, essentially a giant vacuum-sealed centrifuge that spins satellites around before releasing them into space at 5,000 miles per hour. Once satellites reach suborbital height, a small traditional rocket booster takes over. This concept slashes fuel consumption by 70% and costs less than $500,000 per launch versus tens of millions for traditional rockets. All energy powering the centrifuge comes from green sources like solar and wind. The company has already proved traditional satellite components can withstand the 10,000 Gs during launch. The test version is operational. The full-size device launches in 2026. Space access just got cheaper and greener. 12. Unitree G1, the $16,000 humanoid robot. Humanoid robots used to cost hundreds of thousands. Not anymore. Meet Unitree's G1, standing 1.32 meters tall, weighing 35 kilograms, with 23 degrees of freedom, enabling dynamic movements like walking, running, and even performing side flips. Equipped with 3 LiDAR sensors, depth cameras, and advanced AI, it achieves 360-degree environmental awareness, making it suitable for research, industry, and hazardous environments. Its 3-fingered dexterous hands allow precise object manipulation. The 9,000 mAh battery ensures up to 2 hours of operation. The starting price? $16,000. That's cheaper than a used car for a fully functional humanoid robot capable of navigating complex environments autonomously. Unitree positioned the G1 as an accessible platform for robotics research and development. The future of humanoid robotics just became affordable. Shiyi, BlueWalker SAN, cellular service from space. Your phone loses signal in remote areas. Satellite phones are expensive and bulky. AST Spacemobile solved this. They're creating the world's first space-based cellular broadband network that connects directly to everyday smartphones. No special hardware needed. Using satellites like BlueWalker 3 with a massive 693 square foot antenna, the largest commercial communications array ever deployed in low Earth orbit, they've already made history with the first ever space-based voice call and 5G connection from space using an unmodified phone. Partnering with AT&T and Vodafone, AST Spacemobile is working to eliminate connectivity gaps across land, sea, and air, bringing high-speed 4G and 5G coverage to even the most remote corners of the planet. This isn't just innovation, it's redefining what no service means. 10. Self-healing concrete. Buildings that fix themselves. Concrete is the world's second most consumed material after water, but it cracks, crumbles, and costs billions annually in repairs. Researchers developed self-healing concrete by adding bacterial spores and a food source like yeast extract to the concrete mix. When concrete cracks, bacteria are exposed to oxygen and water. They consume the food, multiply, and produce calcium carbonate, limestone, as a byproduct. This seals the crack within 14 days. You won't even see where damage occurred. For small openings, the process prevents them from widening into catastrophic structural failures. Soon, virtually all concrete will incorporate this technology. The days of crumbling infrastructure are ending. 9. Quantum computing, breaking reality's rules. Classical computers use bits, ones and zeros. Quantum computers use qubits that can be 1, 0, or both simultaneously through superposition. This fundamental difference means quantum computers can solve certain problems exponentially faster than any classical supercomputer. They'll revolutionize drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions impossible to calculate today. They'll crack encryption systems protecting global finance. They'll optimize logistics networks across entire continents. IBM hit 1,000 qubits in 2023. Google's quantum computer solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. The biggest hurdle remains building machines large and stable enough for practical applications. But researchers are closer than ever. Quantum computers won't replace your laptop. They'll solve problems we can't even imagine yet. 8. Hydrogen fuel cells. The clean fuel revolution. Electric batteries work for cars, but they're too heavy for trucks, ships, and planes. Hydrogen fuel cells produce electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen. The only byproduct? Water. Hydrogen can be produced from natural gas, nuclear power, biomass, or renewable energy sources like solar and wind. In the UK, concept trains fitted with hydrogen cells are already undergoing tests. Airbus sees hydrogen as far more viable than full electrification for aircraft. Car manufacturers are developing hydrogen vehicles that refuel in minutes, not hours like batteries, and offer ranges exceeding traditional combustion engines. The technology is approaching viability across multiple transportation sectors. Hydrogen isn't the future, it's the present. 7. Mars. Sample return, bringing Mars to Earth. NASA's Perseverance rover has been collecting Martian rock, soil, and atmospheric samples since 2021. Now comes the hard part, bringing them back to Earth. The Mars Sample Return mission, in collaboration with the European Space Agency, involves multiple steps. Perseverance caches samples on Mars. A future lander retrieves them and launches them into Martian orbit. An orbiter captures the container and returns it to Earth. This complex campaign will provide unprecedented insights into Mars's geology and potential signs of past life. The challenge? Costs estimated at $10 billion and potential delays pushing sample return to the late 2030s. To address this, NASA is exploring partnerships with private aerospace companies like SpaceX to streamline the mission and reduce expenses. We're about to hold pieces of another planet in our hands. 6. Graphene. the miracle material. Steel is strong. Copper conducts electricity. Graphene does both. Better. Derived from graphite, graphene is a two-dimensional material where carbon atoms are arranged in a perfect hexagonal honeycomb formation, only 0.3 nanometers thick. The benefits are staggering. Graphene conducts electricity far more efficiently than copper, is 200 times stronger than steel, but 6 times lighter, is almost completely transparent, and is impermeable to even the lightest gases. Researchers see graphene as a platform developers can arrange to suit their needs. It could revolutionize touchscreen technologies, create lighter composite materials for aircraft, and transform electronics with flexible circuits. The possibilities are endless. Commercial production is expected within the next decade. Steel made us modern. Graphene will make us futuristic. 5. Neo Gamma, your robot roommate. Humanoid robots belong in factories and labs. Until now. Neo Gamma, developed by 1X Technologies, is designed to seamlessly integrate into home environments and assist with daily tasks. With a soft 3D printed nylon knit suit mimicking human movement, Neo Gamma offers enhanced performance, reduced noise, and improved safety through tendon-driven joint actuation. Powered by advanced neural networks, it predicts actions, walks with a human-like gait, and interacts naturally through contextual body language and a custom-built language model. Planned for early home tests in 2025, Neo Gamma could revolutionize home robotics. Estimated price? $20,000 to $30,000. For the cost of a car, you get a robot assistant that folds laundry, loads dishwashers, and helps elderly family members. The Jetsons predicted this. 1X Technologies delivered it. 4. Clear space. Cleaning up orbit. There are over 34,000 pieces of space debris larger than 10 centimeters orbiting Earth. Each one travels at 17,500 miles per hour, fast enough to destroy satellites and spacecraft. Swiss startup ClearSpace, in collaboration with the European Space Agency, is developing the ClearSpace 1 mission, the first mission to actively remove debris from Earth's orbit. Initially targeting the Vega secondary payload adapter left in orbit since 2013, the mission shifted to the Proba 1 satellite due to unforeseen circumstances. Swiss watchmaker Omega partnered with ClearSpace, becoming the first private entity to support this groundbreaking initiative. The mission launches in the second half of 2026 aboard a Vega C rocket. This highlights the increasing role of public-private partnerships in ensuring space sustainability. We broke orbit. Now we're cleaning it. 3. Kawasaki Alice System. Seamless travel. Imagine stepping into a compact cabin that carries you through city streets, then docks into a train, boards a ferry, or attaches to a plane without you ever leaving your seat. That's Kawasaki's Alice System. Accessible linkages for innovative and comfortable experiences. Designed to debut at Osaka Kansai Expo 2025, each cabin seats up to 4 people and is powered by hydrogen fuel, making it clean, green, and futuristic. At the heart is Kawasaki's innovative OQ Void power unit, born from their motorcycle engine technology. This isn't just a concept, it's a bold vision for a future where transportation is smooth, sustainable, and fully interconnected. No more transfers, no more waiting. Just seamless travel from door to destination. 2. 3D printing buildings. Construction in hours. Traditional construction takes months. 3D printing builds houses in days. Instead of shipping bricks and materials, construction sites now use large-scale 3D printers that extrude concrete layer by layer, building walls directly on site. There are already buildings around the world constructed entirely from 3D printed components, from homes to offices to emergency shelters. Benefits are massive: reduced transport costs, minimal waste, increased efficiency, and dramatically faster construction timelines. All that's needed is a supply of basic material and a printer. Everything manufactures on site. This technology could revolutionize disaster relief, providing emergency housing within hours of catastrophes. New homes built at a fraction of current time and cost. Construction just entered the digital age. 1. Aria Gen 2. The future on your face. Smartphones put computers in your pocket. Aria Gen 2 puts them on your face. Meta's next-generation smart glasses feature upgraded sensors including RGB cameras, spatial microphones, eye-tracking sensors, and SLAM cameras for precise positional awareness. New additions like heart rate monitoring, PPG sensors, and contact microphones enhance usability, particularly for blind and low-vision individuals. With on-device AI capabilities for speech recognition, hand tracking, and simultaneous localization and mapping, Aria Gen 2 offers 6 to 8 hours of active use and a lightweight foldable design. This innovative device represents a significant step forward in wearable technology, paving the way for future advancements in accessibility and AI-driven applications. Google Glass failed because it was too early. Aria Gen 2 arrives at the perfect time. The future is wearable. From walking motorcycles to buildings that heal themselves, lab-grown meat to satellites launched by centrifuges, these 15 technologies aren't science fiction. They're operational, shipping, changing everything. The future doesn't wait for permission. It builds itself one breakthrough at a time. Which technology shocked you most? The $16,000 humanoid robot, quantum computers breaking reality's rules, or cellular service from space? Drop a comment and subscribe for more stories of technologies rewriting tomorrow.